me to wipe this? So, here is execute code, and this is a demonstration of CD repair. So right here we have 3 CDs. Well, due to reflection, you can't really see the scratches too well, so I'm going to scratch it up a little more. So, we have a Xbox disc right here. So we're going to scratch this. So step on this. Let's see what happens. Ooh, let's do that. Alright. Alright. Make it a little better. So these are pretty scratched. These will not be readable in the disc. Let me try. So, well, these are minor, but let's see this one. Okay. So this CD is not repairable with things you buy from the regular store. You need a commercial CD resurfacing machine. So we have our Zero Disc cleaning technology machine. So we could do one disc here, put it right here. So, and one of the other ones here. So it's pretty scratched. So we're going to run this for approximately 2 minutes, 120 seconds. So we will wait. So we have about 20 seconds left. And let's see the results. All scratches are gone.